Hello ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I'm Joseph Novichkov, Senior Analyst at GDMFX with today's outlook. Starting with the Japanese yen, it fell from a 4-week high against the US dollar as speculation. Japan will proceed with currency weakening stimulus measures that of course helped end its 2-day rally. Japan's currency dropped versus all of its 16 major counterparts as the global head of research at Abu Dhabi Investment Authority said the slump in oil price was surprising. Now, the yen fell 0.3% to 118.68 per dollar this morning after appreciating to 117.74, the strongest level since December 17. Goldman Sachs Group raised its forecast for the dollar against the euro, citing a diverging growth outlook between, of course, the US and Europe. European Central Bank President Mario Draghi will get a legal readout tomorrow on a predecessor to the quantitative easing plan that he's set to reveal later this month. Also, ECB is now fighting to stave off a deflationary spiral in the euro area after consumer price fell in December for the first time in more than 5 years. Policymakers remain, of course, divided on the need for quantitative easing. The German-led opposition claimed it increases taxpayer risk and undermines the incentive for governments to push through economic reforms. The euro right now remains sideways at $1.1840 versus the USD. Briefly for UK, just before the data, Britain's inflation rate probably fell to the lowest since 2002 in December, forcing the Governor Mark Carneyto to write the Bank of England's first open letter explaining why prices are rising too slowly. Consumer price rose by less than 1% on this year, according to all of the economists that were surveyed. Of course, inflation below that threshold will require Carney to write to George Osborne, explaining the underfoot and how he intends to return it to the 2% target. The sterling is also unchanged, slightly above $1.50 before the data that it's going to come out in about an hour time. Gold in the commodity sector will probably extend losses this year as U.S. interest rates increase, providing an opportunity for the investors to buy the metal for benefit from a rebound spurred by Asian demand. Some investors believe that. However, gold gained as much as 0.5% to 1239.34 an ounce, the highest since October, and is trading at the moment slightly above 1240 at the moment. Oil, as we all notice, extended losses to trade below $45 a barrel on speculations that U.S. crude stockpiles will, of course, increase, fueling a global supply glut that's driven prices to the lowest in more than 5.5 years. Futures fell as much as 3.6% this morning, declining for the third day. Crude inventories probably gained by 1.75 million barrels last week. And now for the economic calendar that we're expecting today, CPI and PPI for UK at 9:30 GMT, and of course at the same time retail sales. That's all from me from today. Thanks a lot for watching. Good luck. Bye-bye.